Hey, it's funny. Okay, today we're going to review the Ultimate Amazon Influencer Product Review Tracking Logbook. Okay, this is pretty cool actually. Somebody really thought up what they needed to do in their own business and just basically wrote it out and went from there. Uh, it goes into congratulations and what the book's for and few definitions of what stuff means, what should film, ready to film, what else can I do with these videos. So it's pretty cool. Now these pages here is where all your entries go, and there's 204 entries in this book. In the back, you've got notes. There's about I think 3 or 4 pages of notes. Then you've got back here. You've got the monthly top performing videos. There's 234 entries of these. So if you're running 500-600 videos, you may need two of these books, or photograph or photocopy these off or whatever. But yeah, they kind of went through points that you need, the product and the name, the size, color variation, the caption, the date it was published, key features, why you liked it, ways to improve it. So yeah, it's simple, and I kind of like it actually. But all in all, great product. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.